Listen to me crash out, 'cause we out. What I got liking to you. Listen to me crash out. This how we make out. It depends if you feel my grooving, and this is my part of my attitude. Listen to the crash, and then we can make out. I do body line climb shit. Yo, I do Superman, X-Man, Black Man. Yo, I'm in the door. I will protect you. I promise. Of my bloodline. If I die, I still will hunt them thorns that they hunting you. Stop playing with it. Yo, my bloodline. Yo, we blow. Your time. Don't make us be aim with it. Yo, chill, nigga. Please don't pass my fucking reality. Calm down and be shamed with it. Yo, I got a different spiritual attitude. Chill with it. Yo. I'm focused. I'm just focused on you. Don't make me be aim with it. Yo, my Lord above. He's the only one that I show. Robbythatboul. I'm drinking ink, bing, bing, bing. This is just my part of my reality. Stop stalking me. Stop walking me. I'm under the ground. I got beyond wings. I know what it seems to be me. Yo, the demons me that bother me, I'm be hunting you. Yo, the demons me that bother me, I will be hunting you. Yo, when I pass this reality, you talking to me, I'm gonna be hunting you. And I just need you to tell me one thing. Let me hear my real brings my reality.